Hello folks. Today we want to learn an interesting tutorial on how to make a fun virus with Notepad. So, as always, we go to tutorial without delay. Open the Notepad program. Write these codes and this command will display an error window in Windows. To test and display this file, we save it on the desktop with the name danger in VBS format. When we run the file, this window will be displayed, as shown in the image. The error text that is displayed in the window is the same text that we have written here. And the title text of the window is the same text that we have written here. This number corresponds to the display models of the error window buttons. This number is also for icon models, some of which do not have sound due to Windows version and help or information notification mode, and some of them have sound. I put this code in the for loop and this error is displayed 5 times. This number is actually the same as true and false and is related to the auto close of the error window. After the previous commands, I put a counter that will count up to 10 seconds and display error text and icon. I want to put a counter here that will count to 10 and show the error window every second. Here it says that we have an error in line 11. Ah, I found it here. I had left an ampersand sign. This number is the number of counter. This part shows the text in the error window, and this word counter is actually our variable. We got acquainted with these numbers and this title in the previous code snippet. Here we also specified that every time the variable of the counter will decrease by 1. Now after this I want to make a command in command prompt. I can use the command cd / here and our error will be like this, and the user will think that the data is being deleted. Or we can return the code to the previous state and put a shutdown command at the end. As you know, here we can use commands like delete and format to delete information. If you want to know the instructions for deleting and formatting the partition, write in the comments so that I can make another video for this topic. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. Thank you for subscribing to the channel.